Kadahi paneer is an amazing flavorful recipe of paneer along with green pepper and onion, made with some fresh ground spices which is known as kadahi masala. So let's check out the ingredients first. To make dry karahi masala, here I have 1.5 tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon black peppercorns, 2 dried red chilies, 1 cinnamon stick and half tablespoon cumin seeds. Here I have 3/4 cup tomato puree, some chopped onion, just like this pieces, some green pepper or capsicum, this size, 400 gram paneer chopped in cubes, half tablespoon of garlic and half tablespoon of ginger paste, 3 tablespoon oil divided, we'll use it in batches, half cup milk, some salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon sugar. To make dry kadahi masala, we'll roast all these dry spices: cinnamon stick, coriander, peppercorns, cumin seeds and dried red chili. Just roast them until they get little brown. You can multiply the quantity of these dried masala if you want to keep it and store it. You can store this masala in airtight container so the flavor remains inside. You can see now all dry masala is roasted well. Now transfer this dry masala in the blender jar and make it to a powder. Something like that. So here is our flavorful dry masala is ready. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a kadahi or pan. Add chopped onion. Add green pepper. Roast onion and pepper on high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Stir in between. Transfer roasted or fried vegetable in a bowl and keep it in the side. Now add 1 tablespoon oil in the same kadahi or pan. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Cook it for 20 to 30 seconds or until cumin seeds get splutter. Add grated garlic and grated ginger. You can use a ginger and garlic paste also. Cook it for 30 seconds. Add 3/4 cup tomato puree. Cook it for 1 minute on high heat. Add half teaspoon chili powder. You can increase the amount of chili if you like spicy. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add salt according to your taste. Mix it well. Now add the dry kadahi masala that we made in the starting. Cook for 1 minute. Now add half cup of water and cook it for 2 minutes. Just stir in between. At this stage, add our last 1 tablespoon oil and cook it for another 30 seconds. Now add half cup milk. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until it releases oil. Stir in between. You can see now how it is releasing oil. Just like that. Now at this stage, we will add our roasted vegetable, onion and green pepper that we cooked before. Now add paneer cubes. Cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. You can adjust the consistency of the gravy by adding more water. If you like it with the gravy, you can add more water. Sometimes I also make it with the gravy, but today I am making it a little drier version, so it's up to your choice. Now add half teaspoon sugar. Mix it well. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. And here is your restaurant style or dhaba style Kadahi paneer is ready. Transfer in the serving bowl. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Ranju's Food Fusion. So this was the recipe for restaurant style or dhaba style kadai paneer. You can enjoy this with roti, naan or paratha. Please try the recipe and enjoy.